I kept seeing clutch slave cylinder guards in the suggested product section for a while, and I always thought, why? It's already made of metal, until this happened. Immediately after rebuilding the bottom end of my 97 CR250, I ate shit hard, and sent the shift shaft through the right crankcase cover. I've never seen that before, and I didn't know that could happen, so I must have hit something just right to ruin my day. Fortunately, the cover was an easy fix with some JB Weld and a $20 shift lever. All I needed was an ice pack because I run ATGAT. But what if I do that again on my fancy pants KTM? The slave cylinder is an exposed component, and replacing it will cost around $90. Plus, if it's damaged, I'm pretty much screwed, because I take the KTM way farther out than my Honda. So I thought, yeah, a $35 investment for an Enduro Engineering slave cylinder guard is well worth the cost of repair and the hours of hiking and riding boots. If you follow me, you won't be surprised I went with a guard from Enduro Engineering. They make solid products and they stand behind their work. Install was super fast and only required an 8mm socket. The slave cylinder guard comes with a replacement chain guard, which was a nice surprise and a nice upgrade. The new chain guard is adjustable and doesn't pack with mud as easily as the stock plastic guard. If you want to get a slave cylinder guard, I have a link below to our partner sites, and if you have any questions about it, please let me know in the comments or on social. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.